Hey guys, Brandon here. We have a pink 15 Pro Max mailed in, just top glass busted. So just a glass only replacement on this. Same process as always. Phone's in really good shape otherwise. Looks to be near mint. This has already gone through the laser, as you can see. It's kind of has that look to it, that it's gone through the laser. It's kind of cool. So this will be easier to get the glass off. And we're also going to replace the frame as always. And we'll show you the product when it's done. We tape the screen down here. We use suction and then 0.02 wire to get the glass off. And now the glass is off, and I'm going to get this a little bit warmer. I usually set this at 102 or 3 to get the glass off, and then to get this clean, I up it to 110 or so. And then once this is warm, we take the glue off and clean it. To do some spot cleaning on this, and but it's pretty clean for the most part right now. The reason we changed this frame out, as you see already, especially on like 15 pluses, it's already like separating. See that lift? See how that's lifting off of there? So why we change it and re-glue it is because when you put that inside of the phone, it's gonna lift out. Even if you seal it, this is gonna lift off and the screen's gonna pop out like that. See that separation there? 99% of places that do refurbishing don't even change the frame. They absolutely should, because if they don't, you're gonna have bubbles because it separates from the glass too a little bit, and you see these little bubbles on the side of the glass. Happens all the time. All right, so we got this frame off of here. Look how thin these 15 pluses are. I think they're the thinnest, 14 plus, 15 plus. The base models are thinner than the Pro and Pro Max, and they kind of curve when you take them off a little bit. It's not broken, that's just how it is. They do flex a little. This is the frame we just took off, we're gonna replace, and there's the glass we already took off. We're getting ready to laminate this now. We gotta clean it better, obviously, and then laminate it. And look at how beautiful that is. No little smudge is me. That'll be cleaned. But yeah, that's laminated now. We just need to glue the frame on. 15 plus, so we're almost done here. Basically, we glue this on, put it in clamps to dry, and then we can put it back on the phone in about 30 minutes. We're all finished up with this 15 plus. There's the glass and the frame. It's what we swapped. We're gonna put this over the top for shipping and so it doesn't get scratched. But as you can see, we've got this switched out, and this has been a reset. This phone's been reset, so but you can see there's no message because this is the screen that came with the device. So no message on the screen because it's the same one that came with the phone. If you guys would like this done to your phone, we handle every single one of these the same exact way. We put the seal back, we change the frame and the glass on every one of them. Professionally done. You would never know it's been repaired. If you guys have any questions, message me on here, or rsphonedoctor.com has all my information, location, and everything. We are in South Central Kentucky.